Today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is "Here's Why You Don't Charge at a Cop with a Hammer."
That is a federal public defender breaking into a Sunoco gas station after attempting to attack a random motorcyclist nearby. Officers immediately responded to the scene after a 911 call alerted them, but they were not at all prepared for what he was going to do.
Do we want somebody to hold the back? How do you want to do this?
Yeah, somebody should cover the back. I'm going to try and make entry here without cutting the shit out of myself.
You want me with you or you want me around back?
Sarge, you want to cover the back or? No, I don't think it's... Oh, yeah, I can.
The bathroom.
Alarm. Front. Motion detector. Alarm. Front. Door. Alarm. Front. Motion detector. Alarm. Front. Door.
Locked door.
How is that open? No way. I know the store is closed, but shouldn't everything be locked up? Like, you know, like this type of area, like employees and stuff.
Locked door. Looks good.
You gotta either be in the freezer or something.
We check the interior check's okay. Let's see if you can find an EP for this business. So the alarm didn't trip until we opened the door, so he obviously didn't make any entry. Assuming it's the same guy who did it.
I think he got through there.
You think he did?
It looked like the ATM was flashing. Yeah, I think the alarm. Never mind. No.
Or unless he climbed through. Was it?
He's being barefoot.
Yeah, there would be blood.
Yeah, you're right.
Same guy. Guaranteed.
I mean,
remember Die Hard?
What are the odds, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, go see if you can find him. I'll wait here for the EP. No sense in all of us hanging out. I don't think any.
Yeah, but a normal sized human being could get through that door though. Could definitely get through that. Doesn't necessarily have to open it. So if the alarm is only going off because they opened the door, but that was because they twisted the key and opened it. But if somebody just wanted to, duck up under there, they could easily do that. You know what I mean? But that's pretty interesting. Don't look like anything was stolen though, from what we could see so far. So let's continue.
Hanging out. I don't think anybody went inside because he would have tripped the alarm.
You think he's just?
And the other thing is I can't find what he broke it with. So he's either injured or he's carrying a weapon.
But then you would think.
I checked all over to see if
it makes me think he's carrying a weapon because
or anything blunt to break it. So that's assuming this guy even did it. I mean, who knows?
But what are the odds?
There are no odds.
Did you find him? Yep.
He got a hammer. Duh. It's part of the title.
Stop! Stop!
Uh-oh.
Stop walking! Sir, stop walking!
I will not stop walking. You accept God. Pull your gun out now and shoot me.
Stop, sir. Stop.
Hey, he better play it easy, man. Look like my boy right here. He might be ready to let that thing go, man. He probably don't want to, but hey, sometimes if it's me or you, Man, I'm going home to my family. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go, man. You gonna be what? You try me the wrong one? You try the wrong one, man. Look at that officer right there, man. If it's either him or you, he said, F that, man. I gotta go home to my family, man. You gonna be knocking on them heaven gates, man. Try it. You gonna be knock, 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 knock. For some of y'all that have been around for a couple of months, you know how this is gonna go right now. God, I done fucked up. God, I done messed up, man. I can't believe it. I didn't think I would be here with you right now, but can you let me in? I messed up on earth, man. They got me together. Man. I tried, but something to that effect. Let's continue.
Okay, they love God.
Okay, put the hammer down.
No! Do you love God?
Do not come towards me. Do not come towards me. Do not come towards me.
Oh, got them together. Oh.
Do not come towards me.
An extra one for extra measures. Oh, he gave him an extra one just to make sure. Oh, man, he was already down. He gave him an extra one.
Get your hands up. Get your
Got
hands
him
up.
together.
Get your hands up. Turn over. Turn over.
You about to meet your maker, boy. Got him together.
116, start a squad. Suspect in custody. Okay.
Stay right there.
I'm bleeding.
Squads en route.
Are you 91 in Sunny Hill?
Don't move.
Okay.
Don't move. Do not move. Turn on your side. Okay, there we go. Turn on your side. All right, don't move. Turn on your side.
I'm bleeding.
We know. Hold still. What is your name, holster?
Yeah, we're good.
What is your name?
We're good.
Okay. Sarge, take his gun.
We're good.
Go ahead and have a seat in your cruiser.
Okay.
You stay right here. What's your name, buddy? Carlos.
Got his ass together, boy.
Okay.
Gave him an extra one while he was down.
Did that really just happen?
182 ready. Why didn't you just drop your hammer?
Huh? Because you hurt these people.
Get the squad en route.
Please stand here fast. I'm bleeding.
Just breathe for me. Breathe for me, okay?
Okay, I'm trying. I love you.
Just breathe for me,
It's a
okay?
misunderstanding.
Breathe for me.
The man was bleeding heavily, and if the officers didn't do something quickly, he'd die soon.
Just go ahead and have a seat, John. Have a seat, man.
I'm gonna stand with this guy. Hey, what's up, man?
He just did it to him, man.
Can I
He
hang
just
out with
did
you
it
for
to
a
him.
second?
Come on. John? Yeah. Just relax and sit in your cruiser. Don't say anything, okay? Yeah. Come on, sit right here.
Don't say nothing. That camera rolling.
I'm good.
Okay.
Just,
Yeah, no. Leave it at that. Okay, I just want to make sure you're
yeah.
okay.
I probably would.
How long is that squad? Just stay right there.
Please help me. I love God.
Come on, Carlos. Stay
Yeah.
with me, okay?
I'm scared.
Please, stay with me.
No, I'm going to die.
Stay with me, Carlos,
I
okay?
can't. I'm going to die.
Breathe for me.
Okay. You shot me like 10 times.
I can't believe that just happened. Dude,
I'm going to shut down the road real quick.
okay.
Breathe for me.
I'm trying. You're hurting me. I'm dying. I know you're.
I mean, I agree with what the officer did. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Some people may say, "Oh, it's a hammer. It's not like he had a firearm or something." But hey, that hammer could do damage too, man. Put him down. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it is what it is. That's what he had drawn. It's not like he had his taser drawn. He had his firearm drawn. So it is what it is, man. Damn. Now, the only one that I say, he gave him an extra one while he was already down. Like, yo, that was savage. That was savage. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to run it back, you know, because it's sensitive area. So we got to keep it moving. Hopefully YouTube don't get me together or something. You know what I'm saying? But, yo, he was already down on the ground, rolling in pain. And he gave him an extra one, like, there you go, take this one too. You're like, oh man, that was insane. That was insane.
Scared. Please help me.
182.
Please take the handcuffs off. It's killing me. Take them all.
We'll take 2 squads. Get him up here.
Bring everybody. I'm gonna die. My dog's scared. My dog's really scared.
Stay with me, Carlos, okay?
Where's my dog?
Just stay with me, okay?
Touch me.
Okay.
Where is she? Did she run away?
Stay on your side, okay? No. Stay on your side. No. Come on, Carlos. No. Come on. Stay right there. Hold still, pal. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, pal. Come on.
No, I can't.
Come on, Carlos.
See, when you're getting worked up like that, more fluid can come out of you faster. It's pumping when you're worked up like that. That's why they kind of want you to just stay calm. It'll leak out slowly, but when you all hyped up and
Carlos, don't move, please.
Just stay right there, man.
I can't die. Please. Take the handcuffs off.
got his ass together, boy.
Take the handcuffs off. I don't know why.
I'm good. I'm just gonna turn them around. I'm just gonna turn them around.
Put my car sideways.
Go. Take me from the chain.
You want 91 walk off that Barlow?
Right here. Just the hammer he had.
Carlos, they're here to help you, man.
All right, what happened?
Gunshot wounds.
Gunshot wounds to the front.
I don't know where.
Suicide?
No.
From you guys?
During golf.
Okay.
He's combative.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Ready? Need another arm. There we go.
All right, let's get him up on three.
Hey, Dad. Are you awake? Hey, I'm okay. Something happened at work. I'll
Get
tell you
someone
more
together.
later. Yeah, I'm okay. It's gonna be.
You all right?
I'm all right.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Why don't we go over here, have a seat?
All right.
Come on.
Somebody's getting me water.
You'll get it.
I'm John.
Lieutenant Miller, Steve.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, John.
John.
Oh, Johnny.
Yeah.
I know. I worked for you with your dad in Norton
Yep.
many years ago. Brother.
Yep.
All right. Tell you what. Where's your car?
Down there.
Okay. Well, let's do this. Let's just have you get a seat.
Okay.
Get out of here.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's get you out of here.
Okay.
I'll just get you back to the PD right now. Are you physically hurt at all?
No, not at all.
You're not physically hurt? Nothing
Not
like
at all.
that? Okay. So who's your sergeant here?
Kozel. Him.
Okay. So we'll let him handle the scene stuff.
Yep.
And I'll talk to him. We'll get you out of here. Get you at least down to the PD right now.
Okay.
Get you out of this mess. And then we'll go from there.
He was in cuffs because he was combative.
You have an officer at all that's going to want to come with us from another department or anybody?
Yes, just please let me ask the sergeant, okay?
Okay.
This wasn't Carlos Warner's first run-in with the law. After a 2020 traffic stop involving drug paraphernalia, the longtime federal public defender resigned following mental health treatment. Over the next several years, his condition deteriorated, leading to convictions for stalking and threatening his former boss, additional charges for sending threatening text messages, and repeated probation violations. On the day he allegedly charged at responding officers, Warner was shot 3 times and spent weeks in a coma. Today, he remains under GPS-monitored house arrest on a $150,000 bond after pleading not guilty to first-degree felonious assault. His case is now pending before a county grand jury. YouTube thinks he'll...
Yo, they got his ass right. What? You not acting right? Bow, bow, bow. He was already down. Gave him an extra one just to show we'll do it to you, boy. Hold on, what? Oh man, that was insane. This is sad though. Honestly, this is sad because this is a man who at one point had his life together, you know what I'm saying, had it figured out, being a public defender and all that stuff, you know, everything, it seems like life was good. But you know, it just took a turn, you know, and I say all the time, you know, life, you're gonna have ups and downs, you know. At one point life is gonna be great, you're gonna be on a high, and then something might happen, and then you might dip, you might be going down for a little while, and then life will bounce back, and then, you know, it just goes like that, man. It could be anything, you know, personal within yourself, it could be relationships, it could be work-wise, everything, financial, anything. So this is definitely sad to see how his life is turning out. But hey, that officer going home to his family, boy. That's all. Hey, I gotta do it to you, man. Hey, gotta do it to you.